Sorry, one sec. शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरोहरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare. Okay, welcome everyone. Okay, so today we'll do a quick recap of 32. So Sridevi Garu, can you and Jyoti Garu, can you do 32?
Sure, Andy.
Okay. You want to start, Sridevi Garu? Okay.
Yeah, sure. Om Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 32 Maschyavatara Varnanam. Pura Hayagriva Mahasurena Sashtantaranto Dyadakanda Kalpe Nidronmukha Brahma Mukhadhruteshu Vedeshvaditsah Kilamascherupam Satchavratasya Dramiladi Bhartuhu Nadi Jale Tarpayatastadani Karam Jalau Sanjwalita Krutistvam Adrusyatah kaschana balameenaha Kshiptam jale tvam chakitam vilokya Ninye bhupatrena munisvageham Swalpairaho bih kalashim chakupam Vapim saraschana shisho vibhotvam
Ashishe.
Vapim saraschana shishe vibhotvam Yoga prabhavat bhavadajnayaiva nitastastvam muninapayodhim prushto muna kalpadidrukshumenam saptahamasveti vadannayasihi prapte tvadukte hani varidhara pariplute bhumitale munindraha saptarshibhissardhamaparavarini Udghurnamana sharanam yayau tvam dharam tvadadesha karimavaptam naurupini maruruhustadate tatkampakampreshu chateshu bhuyaha tvamambudhera virabhurmahiyan Jashakrutim yojana laksha dirgham dadhana muchchaistarate jasam tvam Nirikshya tushta munayastvadukya tvattunga shrunge taranimba bandhuhu Akrushta nauko munimandalaya pradarshayan vishvajagad vibhagan samstuyamano nruvarena tena jnanam param chopadishannacharihi kalpavadhau saptamunin puravat Prastapya Satcha Vratabhumi Pamtam Vaivasvatakyam Manumadadhanaha Krodha Dayagriva Mabidruto Bhuhu Svatunga Shrunga Kshatavaksha Samtam Nipacha Daityam Nigaman Gruhitva Virincha Ye Prita Hrude Dadanaha Prabhanjanagara Pate Prapayaha Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Very good. Sridevi Garu, last stanza, first word, 10th stanza, first word. It is just Swatunga, not Swatunga. It's only one third.
Okay.
Swatunga. Okay.
Swatunga Shrunga.
Yeah. Okay.
Namaskaram Jwal. Chavatara Varnanam. Pura Hayagriva Mahasurena Shashtantaram Todhyadakanda Kalpe Nidronmukha Brahma Mukhadhruteshu Dedeshvaditsaha Kilamatsya Rupam Satyavratasya Dramiladhibartuhu Nadi Jale Tarpayatastadanim Karanjalau Sanjvalita Krutistvam Adrushyatah kaschana balaminaha.
Jyoti Garu, sorry, one small, I forgot to tell. The first stanza, last line. Again, Vedeshvaditsah. You don't have to say Saha, right? You put that like how you said Adrishyata here, right? That if. Okay.
Okay. Dedeshvaditsah kilamatsya rupam.
Yep, that's good.
Kshiptam jale tvam chakitam vilokya Ninnem bhutpatrena munisvageham स्वल्पैरहोभिः कलशीं च कूपं वापीं सरश्चानशिषे विभो त्वं योगप्रभावाद् भवदाज्ञयैव नीतस्ततस्त्वं मुनिना पयोधिं पृष्टो मुना कल्पति दृक्षुमेनं सप्ताहमास्वेति वदन्नयासीः प्राप्ते त्वदुक्ते हनि वारिधारा परिप्लुते भूमितले मुनीन्द्रः सप्तर्षिभिः सार्धमपारवारिणि उद्घूर्णमानः शरणं ययौ त्वाम् धरां त्वदादेशकरीमवाप्तां नौरूपिणीमारुरुहुस्तदा ते तत्कम्पकम्प्रेषु च तेषु भूयः त्वमम्बुधेराविरभूर्महीयान् जशाकृतिं योजनलक्षदीर्घां ददानमुच्चैस्तरतेजसं त्वां निरीक्ष्य तुष्टा मुनयस्त्वदूक्त्या त्वत्तुङ्गशृङ्गे तरणिं बबन्धुः आकृष्टनौको मुनिमण्डलाय प्रदर्शयन् विश्वजगद्विभागान् संस्तूयमानो नृवरेण तेन ज्ञानं परं चोपदिशन्नचारीः कल्पावधौ सप्तमुनीन् पुरोवत् प्रस्थाप्य सत्यव्रतभूमिपं तं वैवस्वताख्यम् अनुमादधानः क्रोधाद्धयग्रीवमभिद्रुतो भूः स्वतुङ्गशृङ्गक्षतवक्षसं तं निपात्य दैत्यं निगमान् गृहीत्वा विरिञ्चये प्रीतहृदे ददानः प्रभञ्जनागारपते प्रपायाः श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very good. All of you are becoming experts now. Everybody is doing a fantastic job. So very nice. Okay, so we'll get started with 34. So today, Lakshmi Garu, can you be a student? And then Shubhadra, can you be a student?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I think we stopped at 7, right? So I'll just say 1 to 7, and then we can get started. Okay. गीर्वाणैरत्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसले स्पृश्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीह्यामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथश्माभृते पायसाग्र्यं तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जातगर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमत भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताद्वखेदः नृणां त्राणाय बाणैः मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यं मारीचं द्रावयित्वा मकशिरसि शरैः अन्यरक्षांसि निघ्नन् कल्यां कुर्वन्नहल्यां पतिपदरजसा प्राप्य वैदेहगेहं भिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनिसुतामिन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सधारैः आरुन्धाने रुषान्धे भृगुकुलतिलके संक्रमय्य स्वतेजो ज्ञाते यातोऽस्य योध्यां सुखमिह निवसन् कान्तया कान्तमूर्ते शत्रुघ्नेनैकधातो गतवति भरते मातुलस्याधिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या तातोक्त्या यातु कामो वनम् अनुजवधू संयुतश्चापधारः पौरानारुध्य मार्गे गुहनिलयगतः त्वं जटाचीरधारी नाभासन्तीर्य गङ्गाम् अधिपदवि पुनस्तम्भरद्वाजमारात् नत्वा तद्वाक्यहेतोः अतिसुखमवसश्चित्रकूटे गिरीन्द्रे श्रुत्वा पुत्रार्तिखिन्नं खलु भरतमुखात् स्वर्गयातं स्वतातं तप्तो दत्वाम्बुतस्मै निदधित भरते पादुकां मेदिनीं च अत्रिं नत्वात गत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकं चण्डकाह्यं हत्वा दैत्यं विराधं सुगतिमकलयश्चारुभोः शारभङ्गीं नत्वागस्त्यं समस्ताशरनिकरसपत्राकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्यश्रौषिः प्रियैषी तदनु च मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिपितृसुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदात् गोदातटान्ते परिरमसि पुरा पञ्चवट्यां वधूट्याम्. So we start. So we'll continue with 8. प्राप्ता ह्यः शूर्पणख्याः मदनचलधृतेरर्तनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूह्णनासां दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं खरमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्धं व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुधसमधिखान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा. So praptayaha, so put a ish to join that. Praptayash Shurpanakyaha, put a visarga at the end there of Shurpanakya and then put a comma there. Shurpanakyaha, comma. Madana Chala Driter Artanair. So if you want to break, you can say Driter Artanair together, or if you want to break it, Driter Artanair Nis Sahatma, comma. Tam Saumitrau Visrujya, comma. Prabalatama Rusha Tena Nirluna Nasam. Praptahya Shurpanakyaha Madana Chaladriter Artanair Nissahatma Tam Saumitrau Visrujya Prabalatamurusha Tena Nirluna Nasam. Shubhadra, you want to go? Lakshmidhar,
Sure.
anyone? Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going.
Lakshmidhar, you're on mute. Okay, go ahead, Shubhadra.
Okay. Praptaya Suryanakya Mother. Sorry.
Shurpanakya.
Praptaya Surpanakya Madana Chaladrute Artanair Nissahatma Tam Saumitrau Visrujya Prabalatamarusha Tena Nirlunanasam Praptaya Surpanakya Madana Chaladriter Artanair Nissahatma Tam Saumitrau Visrujya Prabalatamarusha Tena Nirlunanasam.
प्राप्ताया शूर्पणख्याः मदनचलधृतेरर्थनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासां. प्राप्ताया शूर्पणख्याः मदनचलधृतेरर्थनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम्.
Drishtvainam Rushta Chittam, double the Chittam, comma. Kharam Abhipatitam, Dushanam Cha Trimurdham, comma. So the next line, it's going to be very hard to break it. So I'll tell you first what to change. So Vyahim Sira Sharanap Yayuta Samadhi. Khas, if you have khas is there, remove that is and put a in. Samadhi Khan and put a comma first, then I'll tell you how to break it. So Vyahim Sira Sharanap Yayuta Samadhi Khan, comma. Tat Kshanat Akshatoshma. Okay, that word is easy. Tat Kshanat Akshatoshma. Now coming to the front portion of it. So Vyahim Sir Asharanapyayutasam Adhikan. So it's very difficult to break it and say it like that. So you kind of have to say the whole word together because it's 4 or 5 different words merged together. So Vyahim Sira Sharanapyayuta Samadhikan. Okay, that's the best way to say it. Vyahim Sira Sharanapyayuta Samadhikan, comma, Tat Kshanat Akshatoshma. Drishtvainham Rushtachittam Karamabhipatitam Dushanam Chatrimurdham Vyahim Sira Sharanapyayuta Samadhikan Tat Kshanat Akshatoshma.
दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं करमविपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्तं व्याहिंसीराशराणाम् ययुतसमधिकान् तत्क्षणात् अक्षदोष्मा. Correct?
And just on the 4th line, Vyahim Sira Sharanap. I think that nap, Sharanap, somewhere there you made some mistake there.
Okay.
Okay.
Sirana Yayuta Samadhikan. Correct.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. Vyahim Sira Sharana.
Sharana. Shara.
Sharana. Okay. Vyahim Sira Sharana Yayuta Samadhikan Takshanat Akshadoshma.
Correct.
Drishtvainam Brushtachittam Karamabhipatitam Dushanam Chatrimurtam Vyahim Sira Sharana Yayuta Samadhikan Takshanat Akshadoshma.
So it's okay for now, but I think eventually don't leave that break between Nap and Yayuta. Don't leave a gap eventually. Right now it is okay. Okay.
दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं खरमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्धं व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुतसमधिकान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा. दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं खरमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्धं व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुतसमधिकान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा.
Good. Answer 9. Sodharya proktavarta vivasha dashamukadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihitamanugata pravadhir banaghatam tanmaya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam ravanasta maharshite tenartopittvamantah kimapi mudamadhaha Tadvadopayalabhat. Sodarya Prokta Varta Bivasha Dasha Mukadishta Maricha Maya, put a plus, Sarangam. And after Sarangam, you put a comma. Sara Sakshya Spruhitam Anugata, Spruhitam Anugataha. So put a if there. So Spruhitam Anugatah Pravadhir Bana Ghatam.
So there is no break at all for the first line.
Yeah, first line is continuous and then it goes to Sarangam and then a comma after Sarangam, then the rest of the stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Sodharya prokta varta vivasha dashamukadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihitamanugata pravadir banaghatam.
Sodarya proktavarta vivasadasamuga dishtamaricha maya sarangam sarasakshya spruhitamanugata प्रावतीर्बाणघातम्.
Correct. Shubhada, just one small, you said it correct only. And the end of the first line, if you just stretch that a little bit, right? Mukadishta maricha maya sarangam. Okay,
Okay.
then you'll get the tune proper there.
Okay. Okay. सोदर्या प्रोक्तवार्ता विवशदशमुगादिष्टमारीच माया सार्गम्. வரலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்ல.
That's okay. Yeah, go ahead.
सारङ्गम् सारसाक्ष्या स्पृहितम् अनुगत प्रावती बाणघातम्.
सोदर्या प्रोक्तवार्ता विवशदशमुखादिष्टमारीच माया सारङ्गं सारसाक्ष्या स्पृहितमनुगतः प्रावधीर्बाणघातम्. सोदर्या प्रोक्तवार्ता विवशदशमुखादिष्टमारीच माया सारङ्गम् सारसाक्ष्या स्पृहितमनुगतः प्रावधीर्बाणघातम्. I think I'm I'm not able to hold breath for the whole sentence.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. This one, like, because each of the words the way I separated that, those are full words in this case. So it's easy, right? So you can say, Sodarya prokta varta bipasha dasha mukhadishta maricha maya. So you can maybe take if you want to take a breath, right? That after that mukhadishta, you can take like a.
Can I say just one more time?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sodarya prokta varta vivashadashamukhadishtam mari. I don't want to break it.
So dishta and then maricha maya. That will be if you want to separate it, right? Yeah.
Sodarya prokta varta vivashadashamukhadishtam maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya spruhitamanugata pravadhirbhanaghatam. I will practice.
Yeah, that's good. You got it. Yeah, that's so.
Can I say one more time?
Okay.
One more.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
सोदर्या प्रोक्तवार्ता दिवसदशमुगादिष्ट मारीच माया सारङ्गम् सारासाक्ष्या स्पुरुहितमनुगत प्रावतीर्बाणघातम्.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Tan maya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam, comma, Ravanastam maharshit. So put the it at the end of that line. Ravanastam aharshit. But you can say that together. Tam maharshit, comma, it, comma. Next line, there will be two thas. You'll see a full tha and a half tha. So remove that half tha off. So tenartopi twamantaha, comma, kimapi mudamadhaha. That is there, remove it and put a visarga. Kimapi mudamadhaha tad vadopaya labhat. Tad vadopaya labhat. Tanma, sorry, it's a question.
Kimapi mudamadhaha. Do we get a break there?
Yeah. Kimapi mudamadhaha, comma there. Then tadvadopaya labhat. Tanmaya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam Ravanasta maharshite tenartopi tvamantaha kimapi mudamadhaha tadvadopaya labhat.
तन्माया क्रन्दन निर्यापितभवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षीत् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्दः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वदो पायलाभात्. तन्माक्रान्द निर्यापितभवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षीत् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वदोपायलाभात्.
Tanmaya क्रन्दनिर्यापितभवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षीत् तेनातोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमधाहत् तद्वधोपायलाभात् तन्माया क्रन्दनिर्यापितभवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षीत् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाहत् तद्वधोपायलाभात्.
Stanza 10. भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् आहृतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वधेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायो धिवमतसुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यं घृण्णानं तं खबन्धं जगनित शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश. So bhuyas tanvim bichin one. So you have two n's there, in and a n. So first make it a in, bichin one, comma. Next to letter becomes a ahruta dashamukas. If you have a visarga there, you can put a is to join that, but otherwise some most books have it as is. Ahruta dashamukas tvad vadhum mad vadhene, and then put a plus tyuktva. So just put a comma there, tyuktva, comma. Yate jatayau divam ata suhrudaha is there. So if ata suhrudah pratanoho, so again if pratanoh pretakaryam. So just after bhuyas tanvim vichin one, comma, ahrita dashamukas twadvadu madvadene tyuktva, comma, then the whole thing. Yate jatayo divamata suhrudah pratanoh pretakaryam. Bhuyastanhim vichinvan ahrita dashamukas twadvadum madvadene tyuktva yate jatayo divamata suhrudah pratanoh pretakaryam.
भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् अहृतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वदेन इत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवमतसुहृद प्रातनो प्रेतकार्यम् भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् अहृतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वदेन इत्युक्त्वा
Madvadenetyuktva.
मद्वतेनेत्युक्त्वा ओके भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् अहृतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वतेन्युक्त्वा
I think that word you're making mistake. Madvadene.
मद्वतेनेत्युक्त्वा.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. मद्वतेनेत्युक्त्वा. Okay. भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् अहृतदशमुखस्तद्वधूं मद्वतेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ त्वमत सुहृद प्रातनो प्रेतकार्यम्
भूयस्त्वनीं विचिन्वन् ऋतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वधेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवमतसुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम् भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् अहृतदशमुखस्त्वद्वधूं मद्वधेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवमतसुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम्.
Yeah. So the reason, like Madvadene Tyuktva, right, is so Madvadene means by killing me, right? So Jatayu is saying Madvadene, so he tried to kill me. Madvadena means killing me. Iti, thus uktva, saying. So if you kind of take three words, Madvadena, iti, uktva, those are the three words, right? But when you write it, and because of the sandhi, it becomes Madvadene tyuktva, right? That's why you can't put madvadene and say tyuktva. You can't put a comma after madvadene and say tyuktva, because the a in madvadene is actually part of iti uktva. It goes to the next line, right? That's the reason we are joining that, right? So I just want to, in case you're wondering why we joined it. Anyway, grinhanam tam kabandham jaganitha, comma, shabarim prekshya pampatate tvam, comma, samprapto vatasunum brisha mudita manaha, comma, pahi vatala yesha. Grinhanam tam kabandham jaganita shabarhim prekshya pampatate tvam samprapto vatasunum brishamudita manaha pahi vatala yesha.
गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित सबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पंपातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वादसूनुं प्रसुमुदितमनाः पाहि वादालयेश गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित सबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पंपातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वादसूनुं प्रसमुदितमना पाहि वादालयेश.
Brishamudita manaha. Okay.
Sorry.
And
सम्प्राप्तो वादसूनुं प्रसमुदितमनाः पाहि वादालयेश.
And third line, Subhadra, is shabarim, sh, not sa. Okay, so just be careful. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनिथ शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनिथ शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनं भृशमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So that completes 34. So here Rama has met Hanuman now. That's where this this chapter ends. So we'll start with 35. So it's also 35 is also like 34. It'll be a little difficult, right? But we can go slowly. Nita Sugriva Maitrim Tadanu Hanumata Dundube Kayamuchaihi Shiptwangushtena Bhuyo Lulubita Yugapat Patrina Sapta Salan Hatwa Sugriva Ghathyo Tyatamatula Bhalam Valinam Vyajavritya Varsha Vela Manaishi Biraha Tharalitastum Matanga Shramante. So Nitas Sugriva Maitrim Tadanu Hanumata, comma, Dundubehe is there. So put that Dundube Kayam Uchaihi, comma, Shiptwangushtena. So remember Shiptwa Angushtena, Angushtam. So Shiptwangushtena Bhuyo, comma, Luluvita Yugapat Patrina Sapta Salan. Nita Sugriva Maitrim Tadanu Hanumata Dundube Kayamuchaihi Kshiptwangushtena Bhuyo Luluvitha Yugapat Patrina Sapta Salan.
Nita Sugriva Maitrim Tadhanu Hanumata Duntube Kayamukchaihi Chitwangushtena Bhuyo Luluvita Yugapat Patrinal Sapta Salan. Nita Sugriva Maitrim Tadhanu Hanumata Duntube Kayamuchaihi क्षिप्त्वाङ्गुष्ठेन भूयो लुलुवितयुगपत् पत्रिना सप्तसालान्.
அஜீஷ் ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின். லுல வித்தன்னு இருக்கு தமிழ்ல, அது லூ வித்தவா?
லூ வித்த.
ஓகே. தமிழ்ல லூல வித்த.
ஓகே.
नीतः सुग्रीवमैत्रीं तदनु हनुमता दुन्दुभेः कायमुच्चैः क्षिप्त्वाङ्गुष्ठेन भूयो लुलुविथयुगपत्पत्रिना सप्तसालान्. नीतः सुग्रीवमैत्रीं तदनु हनुमता दुन्दुभेः कायमुच्चैः क्षिप्त्वाङ्गुष्ठेन भूयो लुलुविथयुगपत्पत्रिना सप्तसालान्.
हत्वा सुग्रीव गातोद्यतम. So gatodyatam. Okay, but the and here becomes a dya there. So gatodyatam atulabhalam, if you want to break it, right? Sugriva gatodyatam atulabhalam, comma Valinam. Some books have it as Balinam. So this refers to Sugriva's brother Vali. Now, just like how Vali, we have Vrindavan is the right name, but now it has become Brindavan, right? Similarly, Vali has eventually become Bali in some places, but it is the right thing is Vali is the right Sanskrit pronunciation of it. So if we have Ba, change it to Va. Valinam Vyaja Britya, comma Varsha Vela Manaishihi. So on top of that V, if you have a ir, remove the top. So Varsha Vela Maneshihi, comma Biraha Taralitas Tvam Matangashramante.
Can you please repeat this line again?
Yeah. Varsha Vela Maneshihi Visarga, comma Viraha Taralitas Tvam Matangashramante. Matanga ashramam. So Matangashramante. Hatva Sugriva gatodhyatamatulabhalam Valinam vyajavritya Varsha Vela Maneishihi Viraha Taralitastvam Matangashramante.
हत्वा सुग्रीव गातोद्यतम् अतुलबलं वालिनं व्याजवृत्या वर्षावेलामनैषीः विरहतरलितस्त्वं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते. हत्वा सुग्रीव गातोद्यतम् अतुलबलं वालिनं व्याजवृत्या वर्षावेलामनैषीः विरहितरलितस्त्वं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते.
हत्वा सुग्रीवगातोद्यतमतुलबलं वालिनं व्याजवृत्या वर्षावेलामनैषीः विरहतरलितस्त्वं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते. हत्वा सुग्रीवघातोद्यतमतुलबलं वालिनं व्याजवृत्या वर्षावेलामनैषीः विरहतरलितस्त्वं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते.
Stanza 2. Sugrivenanujoktia sabhayamabhiyata vyuhitam vahinim tam rikshanam vikshya dikshu drutamata margana yavanam ram sandesham changuliyam pavanasutakare pradisho modashali marge mamarge kapibirapi tadha tvatpriya saprayasaihi. Sugri Venanujokti. It's got 3 words in there. Sugrivena Anuja Uktya. So 3 words in there. So you can't break it. So say it together. Sugrivenanujoktia Sabhayam Abhiyata. that you can break. Sabhayam abhiyata, comma.
Is it Jaktya or Joktya? Sugrivenanu?
Sugrivenanu joktya.
Okay, it says Jaktya in the...
Oh, yeah. Joktya, because it's Sugrivena, Sugrivas, Anuja, Uktya. So another it becomes Joktya then. Okay. So Sugrivenanu joktya, Sabhayam abhiyata, comma, Vyuhitam, Vahinim tam. Put a im at the end of that line, the comma, Vahinim tam. Next line, that mr becomes a r, rikshanam. Like rishi, r, rikshanam, vikshya, dikshu, comma, dhrutamata, daita, margana, yava, namram. Margana, yava, namram. Sugrivenanu joktya, sabhayam abhiyata, vyuhitam vahinim tam, rikshanam vikshya dikshu, dhrutamata dhaita margana yavanam ram.
Sugrivenanu joktya
Venanu, Sugrivenanu.
Okay. Sugrivenanu joktya sabhayam abhiyata vyuhitam vahinim tam rukshanam vikshya dikshu trudamata daita margana yavanam ram. Sugrivenanu joktya sabhayam abhiyata vyuhitam vahinim tam rukshanam vikshya dikshu trudamata daita margana yavanam ram.
So one small correction, Shubhadra, on the second line,
Hmm.
not ru, r, because that
R.
u sound should not come there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me repeat. Rikshana,
Yeah.
Rikshanam vikshya dikshu
Correct.
trudamata daita margana yavanam ram.
Yeah.
Thank you.
सुग्रीवेणानुज्योत्या सभयमभियता व्यूहितां वाहिनीं तां रिक्षाणां वेक्ष्य दिक्षु द्रुतमथ दयिता मार्गणायावनम्रा सुग्रीवेणानुज्योत्या सभयमभियता व्यूहितां वाहिनीं तां रिक्षाणां वेक्ष्य दिक्षु द्रुतमथ दयिता मार्गणायावनम्राम्.
Sandesham Changuliyam, comma, Pavana Suta Kare Pradisho Modashali, comma, Marge Marge Mamarge, comma, Kapi Bhirapi Tada Twatpriya Saprayasaihi. So the monkeys are now going in all directions, and Hanuman now has the ring. And I know I haven't sent the meaning for this, so I'll send that pretty soon. Sandesham Changulhiyam Pavana Sutakare Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge Kapi Bhirapi Tada Twatpriya Saprayasaihi.
Sandesham Chankuliyam Pavanasudakare Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge Kapibhirapitata Tvatpriya Saprayasai. Sandesham Chankuliyam Bhavanasudakare Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge Kapibhirapitata Tvatpriya Saprayasai.
Sandesham Changulyam Pavanasutakaре Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge Kapibhirapitada Tvatpriya Saprayasaihi. Sandesham Changulyam Pavanasutakare Pradisho Modashali Marge Marge Mamarge kapibhirapi tada tvatpriya saprayasaihi.
So the next stanza, you can maybe put a star or something and keep. So that entire Sundara Kandam in Ramayana, which is where Hanuman is going and whatever happens in Lanka and he meets Sita and then burns Lanka, all of that is in this one stanza, right? So I'll say that and maybe briefly talk about it. Twadvarta karnanodyat garudhurujava sampati vakya proktirnanodihi antarnagari janakajam vikshyadattvanguliyam prakshudhyodhyanam akshakshapana sodabandho dashasyam drishtva plishtva cha lankam jhatiti sa hanuman mauliratnam dhadaute. So here it is saying that first when they go looking for Sita, right, they are not able to find, and they meet this person called Sampati, who is Jatayu's like brother, and this Sampati, then when he's injured and everything, but not Jatayu, they've already Rama meets, Sampati Hanuman meets, and all the monkeys. So this Sampati, then he hears about Rama, and then he's the one who tells that Sita is probably in Lanka. And so when he says, then Hanuman decides to go, then Antar Nagari Janakajam, he enters into Lanka, and then he goes there and he sees Sita, and then he gives the ring to Sita. And then once he does that, then he destroys, then he meets Ravana, then Ravana lights his tail on fire. He then kills Akshakshapana, is one of the other sons of Ravana. So he kills him, he then burns Lanka. Then I think this one here with the one where, Sodabandha means he's captured because of Brahmastra, which Indrajit does. He then goes, meets Dashasyam. He then meets a 10-headed Ravana. He burns Plishtva, he burns Lanka, and then quickly Mauli Ratnam Dhadote. So he gets Sita's Mauli Ratnam, means Sita's hair pin, which is studded with gems. Now, so in what do you call that? So in all these poetries, right, there's something called as a meter, right, which says how many things you can fit in, because that's how it lands exactly, right? So there's a very interesting video on YouTube, but it's in Malayalam, but I'll send it to all of you, where Bhattadripad is writing this, right? So he's not able to write it, so he's saying this and somebody else is writing in the palm leaves, right? And then he says, Sodabandho Dashasyam Drishtva. So he sees Drishtva Dashasyam, he sees Ravana. Plishtva cha Lanka, he burns Lanka. Jhatiti, quickly, Hanuman then, Mauli Ratnam Dhadau, Dhadau means to give, Dhadau, to Rama, right? He takes the Mauli Ratnam from Sita and then he has to give it to Rama. So when he finishes that, Dhadau Rama means there is no space in that meter to put two words, Ra and Ma. There is no space in there. So he's contemplating, what should I put? Because if it become Plishtva Chalankam, Jaditisa Hanuman, Mauli Ratnam, Dadau, Rama, it doesn't come according to the definition of the meters. So in that video, they actually show that he's sitting and he's breaking his head, where Bhattadripad is wondering, what should I put there? Right? Because he was thinking, what other words of Rama are there, right? And nothing there was there, which was one letter at the time. So in that video, they show Krishna coming, but he visualizes it, or he gets that indicator from Guru Arpan, because he's looking at Krishna at that time when he's writing this. And then Krishna says, I myself am Rama as well. So remember, Bhattadripad is writing it in first person. So he says, Mauli Ratnam Dhadau Te, means Hanuman came and he gave the Mauli Ratnam to you, right? To you here is Krishna, but Hanuman gave it to Rama, right? So that's what it's a very interesting way here is everywhere he says Rama and everything, but when he comes in this point, he intentionally says Hanuman Mauli Ratnam Dhadau Te. He gave that Mauli Ratnam to you, O Krishna. Which it's essentially it's the same Lord. That's what he's trying to say here, right? Anyway, so Twadvarta Karna Nodhyat. Till then you have to say it, you can't break it. So Twadvarta Karna Nodhyat Garudhuru Java Sampati Vakya put a plus. Proktirna nodihi. So that ra that is there, remove that ra. Proktirna, and then put a visarga first. Proktirna nodihi, comma. Antar nagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam.
So there is a break in the first line.
There's no break in the first line at all. It goes all the way up to Proktirna nodihi in the next line.
And then is it after Proktirna nodihi, then it says Nantar Nagari or
Rantar, you should have the letter R there. Proktirna nodi rantar, right? So
no,
you remove that R and first make it a visarga, Proktirna nodihi, comma, and then Antar Nagari Janakajam. So he enters, Antar, he enters into the city of Janakajam, where Sita is.
Okay.
Twadvarta karnanodyat garudurujava sampati vakya proktirna nodihi antarnagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam.
Twadvarta karnanodyat garudurujava sampati vakya proktirna nodihi Antarnagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam. Tvatvarta karnanodyat garudurujava sampati vakya proktirna nodihi Antarnagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam.
Twadvarta karnanodyat garudurujava sampati vakya proktirnarnodihi. Man, I did it. And nagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam. Twadvarta karnanodyat garudurujava sampati vakya proktirnarnodihi. Antar nagari janakajam vikshya datvanguliyam.
Prakshu dhyodhyanam. So that ma that is there, we'll break it im, comma, prakshuddhodhyanam, comma. Next line starts with the a. Aksha kshapana chanaranaha, comma again. So prakshuddhodhyanam, comma, aksha kshapana chanaranaha, comma again. Sodha bandho dashasyam drishtva. So dashasyam means Ravana drishtva, seeing him. So that's why there's a plus there at the end of that line. Sodha bandho dashasyam drishtva, comma, plushtva cha lankam jhatiti sa hanuman mauliratnam dadau te. Prakshuddhodhyanam akshakshapana chanaranaha Sodabandho dashasyam drishtva plushtva cha lankam jhatiti sa hanuman mauliratnam dadau te.
Prakshuddhodhyanam akshakshapana chanaranaha sodabandho dasasyam drishtva balushtva cha sangam jatita sa hanuman mauliratnam tadaute.
That last line something went wrong. Plushtva
cha okay.
Plushtva cha lankam.
Okay. No. Prakshuddhodhyanam akshakshapana chanaranaha sodabandho dasalyam drishtva plushtva cha lankam jatita sa hanuman mauliratnam tadaute.
Prakshuddhodhyanam akshakshapana chanaranaha sodabandho dashasyam drishtva plushtva cha lankam jhatiti sa hanuman mauliratnam dadaute. Prakshuddhodhyanam akshakshapana chanaranaha sodabandho dashasyam drishtva प्लुष्ट्वा च लङ्कां झटिति स हनुमान् मौलिरत्नं ददौ ते.
Another full breath one is coming. Tvam sugrivangadhadi प्रबलकपि च चक्रविक्रान्त भूमि चक्रोभिक्रम्य पारे झलदि निशिचरेन्द्रानुजा श्रीयमानः तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पार्थ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजः त्रसधुदधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्. And the reason some of these lines are long is because it's difficult to break. Like the first whole line is, you then, O Rama, you set out with an army which consists of Sugriva, Angada, other monkey heads, all of who have actually have different strengths. And then, so you, when you are saying all that, you can't say you set out with an army with Sugriva, then stop. And then with Angada another. So that's why, that's the reason even in Sanskrit also the whole text is one whole line, because it's a like compound sentence, right? Where the whole thing is happening and then there is no and or anything. It's just a complete sentence. That's why some of these sentences are long. So, Tvam Sugrivangadhadi. So Sugriva, Angada. Remember those two names, right? Sugrivangadhadi Prabala Kapi Chamu Chakra Vikranta Bhumi, put a plus, Chakro Vikramya, comma. Okay, so that whole line together, the Chakro Vikramya, comma. Pare Jaladi Nishicharendranuja. That's one word. Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha. So first line is continuous. After Chakro Vikramya, comma, Pare Jaladi Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha. Tvam Sugrivangadhadi Prapalakapi Chamu Chakravikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jaladi Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha.
Tvam Sugrivangadhadi Prabalakamu Kapichamu Chakra Vikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jalati Nishichrendranuja Shriyamanaha.
Subhadra, the first line, that Bhumi is a long E, okay?
Bhumi.
Yeah, okay.
Tvam Sugrivangadhadi Prabalakapichamu Chakra Vikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jalati Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha.
Tvam Sugrivangadhadi Prabalakapichamu Chakravikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jaladhi Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha. Tvam Sugrivangadhadi Prabalakapichamu Chakravikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jaladhi Nishicharendranuja Shriyamanaha.
Tat Proktam Shatruvartam Rahasi Nishamayan, comma, Prarthana Parthya Rosha, and then a plus again, Prastagne Yastra. So Prasta Agneya Astra, three different words. So Prastagne Yastra Tejaha. Put a, so is that is there, remove that is and put a visarga. So you join up to Nishamayan is continuous on the third line, and then Prarthana Parthya Rosha, put a plus, Prastagne Yastra Tejaha, put a visarga there and a comma. Trasa Dhudadhi Gira Labdavan Madhyamargam. तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पार्थ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजः त्रसधुदधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्
तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवत्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पात्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्र
No, प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्र
प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्र तेजः स्तुतति किरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम् तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पार्थ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्र तेजः स्तुतति
त्रस धुदधि
त्रसतु तति किरा करेक्टा
yeah correct.
त्रसतु ततिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्
शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पाथ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजः त्रसदु दधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम् तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थना पार्थ्यरोष प्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजः त्रसदुदधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्. Am I saying it correctly? Trasadhigira, because that's there.
Yeah, trasadhudadigira. I was saying it correctly only. Yeah. Okay. We'll just maybe do 2 more today and we can stop. कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्य यातून्यामर्द्य धंष्ट्रा नखशिखरिशिला सालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान्नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपति गरुन्मारुतैर्मूर्छितो भूः. So कीशैर आशान्तरो पाहृत, if you want to break it, कीशैर आशान्तरो पाहृत गिरि निकरैहि. So comma सेतुमाधाप्य सेतुमादाप्य यातो comma यातून या मर्द्य comma धंष्ट्रा नख शिखरि शिला साल शस्त्रै. Okay, दंष्ट्रा नख शिखरि शिला साल शस्त्रैः. शस्त्रैः is there, so put a is there. Shastrais swasainyaihi. So that's continuous there. Okay. कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्य यातून्यामर्द्य धंष्ट्रा नखशिखरिशिला सालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः.
कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमादाभ्य यातून्यामर्द्य दंष्ट्रा नखशिखरिशिला सालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः.
Ashantaropahृत. Then the pahृta is one word.
So do we have to say "are" there, or can you just say "ki shairashantaropa"?
No, you can say it together. You can say that together. Ki shairashantaropa.
Okay, so we don't need to add "are" there, right?
Only if you are breaking it as ki shair ashan, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can say the whole word together. Ki shair ashan. Okay.
कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमादाभ्य यातोऽन्यामद्य दंष्ट्रानगशिखरिशिला स्थालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः
ईशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्य यातून्यामद्य दंष्ट्रानखशिखरिशिलासालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः ईशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरैः सेतुमाधाप्य यातून्यामद्य दंष्ट्रानखशिखरिशिलासालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः
व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समर भुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान् नागास्त्र बद्धः. So 3 words. Vegan nagastra bhaddha, pata gapati garun marutair mochito bhuhu. Vyakurvan sanujastvam samara bhuvi param vikramam shakrajetra vegan nagastra bhaddha patagapati garun marutair mochito bhuhu.
व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान् नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपति करुन्मारुतैः मोचितो भूः व्याकुर्वान् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान् नागास्त्रबद्धः पदगपति गरुन्मारुतैः मोचितो भूः
व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान्नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपति गरुन्मारुतैर्मोचितो भूः व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान्नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपति गरुन्मारुतैर्मोचितो भूः.
Let's do one last one. So this is where Hanuman is.
One quick question, Rajesh ji.
Yeah.
In 35 second line, I mean fifth verse of second line.
Yeah.
Is that the last word swastanyaihi or like Telugu book? It says tanyaihi.
No, swa sainyai. Sainyai means army. Sainyam. So swa sainyaihi.
Swasain. Okay, swasainyaihi. Okay. Thank you.
So stanza 6. So stanza 6 is where Hanuman is bringing the mountain to cure Ravana, right? So that is happening, and also Kumbhakarna is also getting killed. So all of that is happening in stanza 6. Saumitristwatra shakti prahruta ghalada survata janita shaila granhat pranhanupeto vyakrunuta kusruteshlaginam meganatham maya kshobheshu vaibhishana vachana hrita stambanah kumbhakarnam sampraptam kampitorvi thalamakila chamu bhakshinam vyakshinostum Saumitris Twatra Shakti Prahruti Galada Sur Vata Janita Shaila, and then put a plus. So that first line is continuous, and then plus Granat Prananupeto, comma. So the whole line is together. Saumitris Twatra Shakti Prakriti Galadasur Vatajanita Shaila Granat Prananupeto, comma, Vyakru Nuta. So first is a kru, then is a u. Vyakru Nuta. Then it's opposite. Kusrutish. Kusrutish Laginam Meghanadam. Saumitristwatra Shakti Prakriti Ghalada Survata Janita Shaila Granat Prananupeto Vyakrunuta Kusrutish Laginam Meghanadam.
सौमित्रिस्तुवत्र शक्ति प्रहृति कलदशुर्वादजानीत शैलक्राणात् प्राणानुवेदो व्यकृणुत कुश्रुते श्लाघिनं मेघनादम् सौमित्रिस्तुवत्र शक्ति प्रहृति कलदशुर्वादजानीत शैलक्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणुत कुश्रुते श्लाघिनं मेघनादम्
सौमित्रिस्त्वत्र शक्ति प्रहृति गलदसुर्वात जानीत शैलघ्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणुत कुसृतिश्लाघिनं मेघनादम् सौमित्रिस्त्वत्र शक्ति प्रहृति गलदसुर्वात जानीत शैलघ्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणुत कुसृतिश्लाघिनं मेघनादम्. I know I didn't get the ragam properly, but I will.
Your words are correct. Your words are absolutely correct. So yeah, otherwise I'll stop it. I mean, if it, I was just thinking, right? Like, you know, like the kids play, you know, the seashells, right? So similarly, like tongue twisters, right? Some of these words, some of these are like kru comes first, then u comes. The next one, u comes first, then ru comes, right? So no, I think, but both of us did say it correct. So Maya Kshobeshu, comma, Vaibhishana Vachana Hrita Stambanaha is there. So put the ih sound, Stambanah. Kumbhakarnam, put a plus, Sampraptam. So Maya Kshobeshu, comma, and then Kumbhakarnam Sampraptam, then comma. Kampitorvi Talam Akhila, okay, Kampitorvi Talam Akhila means everything. Akhila Chamu Bhakshinam Vyakshinos Tvam. Maya Kshobeshu Vaibhishana Vachana Hrita Stambanah Kumbhakarnam Sampraptam Kampitorvi Talam Akhila Chamu Bhakshinam Vyakshinos Tvam.
मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृदिस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलम् अखिलचमुभक्षिणं व्यक्षिणोस्त्वम्.
Chamu, that's a long chamu, okay?
Chamu. मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृदस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलम् अखिलचमूभक्षिणं व्यक्षिणोस्त्वम्.
मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृतस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलमखिलचमूभक्षिणं यक्षिणोस्त्वम्. मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृतस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णं सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलमखिलचमूभक्षिणं यक्षिणोस्त्वम्.
We'll stop the class here today at 6. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुर्पुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.